Hi, namaste. Thank you so much for being here with me today. This is Ali, and I'm coming to you with a little announcement, which is that we are coming up to the full moon next week, and there is going to be a restorative yoga and yoga nidra immersion for this full moon, a 5-day immersion. It's a free immersion with myself and some of our staff at the School of Living Yoga, our staff from the Moon to Moon Restorative Yoga Teacher Training. So I am going to post lots of details about this below, and at the end of this video, how you can sign up. We also have an amazing giveaway, a prize giveaway of a really cool eye massager that I can't get enough of. I've been using it like twice a day. So that's exciting as well. And the theme of this upcoming full moon restorative yoga and yoga nidra immersion is going to be gratitude. So we'll be cultivating a theme, a positive bhavana of gratitude throughout the 5-day immersion. And this immersion will take place starting on the 7th to the 11th, the full moon on the 9th. But you can do this immersion anytime if you like, during any full moon. However, if you'd like to participate with us in real time, we would love to have you. And let me know in the comments below if you're excited to join us. We've had a couple of restorative yoga immersions on the channel before, myself and Tina. And the feedback that we get from these immersions is that they're really quite profoundly life-changing for some people. To go into these deep states of rest and peace within themselves can be really such a powerful experience and such a gift in this day. Restorative yoga, yoga nidra are really kind of the medicine for the times right now in so many ways. So I really hope that you're excited to join us. I'm so excited to share more with you about this. And this is just an invitation. We'd love to have you join in this 5-day restorative yoga and yoga nidra immersion for this upcoming full moon. So I will leave links below to our other staff members who are going to be guiding a practice over the 5-day immersion. Myself and Tina, who some of you are familiar with, Kristen, who some of you are familiar with, and Elizabeth, who some of you may be familiar with, and many of you may have not met Elizabeth yet. So we're very excited to introduce you to her in this upcoming immersion. Please let me know if you have any questions, but I will post a link below for signing up. Know that if you participated in our last immersion, you will probably get an email about this very shortly if you haven't already. And everyone's welcome to join. The more the merrier. So thank you so much for being here with me on the channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope that you can join us. Let me know in the comments if you're excited and if you're joining, and we'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Namaste.